Folks, this is James from the Possible Channel. We're going to be talking about this new picture NASA released on Earth from outer space. Satellite GOES 16 2017 pictures of ultra high quality, and they should show us what Earth really looks like. So I'm going to show you this picture and you tell me what you think, okay? Right, so first of all, I just want to say, folks, this is utterly bizarre. I bet that there are Hollywood movies that can show these kind of images with a very much better quality, definition, and reality. Sense of reality. Sorry, NASA, but you got it all wrong. Or you actually trying to whistleblow the fact that you're lying to us. This is really strange. I showed this picture to many people out there, and most of them told me this seems to be a collage, a montage of pictures. Not only that, they told me that every time NASA releases a picture, the sky looks different, the clouds look different, the ocean looks different, the continents look different, sometimes bigger, sometimes smaller, it's really like that, yeah. So this footage you're seeing right now is from a source that sent us earlier this week another footage from the airplane, and there are objects next to our sun, and they are hiding these objects. Now, why would they actually hide these objects is a very good question, right? Why would they hide the Earth's true shape or Earth's true size, whatever? We don't know how it looks like for real, and they've been hiding for a couple of, dozens of years. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you Earth from outer space. But this is from a very high altitude balloon. It reached, I bet, like 21 miles up in the sky, and that's pretty high. That's about 50 kilometers up in the sky. You should pretty much see the curvature. Now what you're going to see is not only you're going to not see the curvature, you're going to see that the sun seems to be pretty much loco. When many times when the camera catches the sun over the ocean, you can clearly see a spotlight in the ocean. That should not happen if the Earth were to be, millions and thousands of light years away from the sun, And not only that, we've got objects showing up in the sky. This is pretty obvious that, they're hiding something, and we may have extra continents out there. Now, if we do have extra continents out there and you're hiding these continents, this would be a very good reason, tax-free products, resources, whatever, So how do we explain the sunspot on the water? This is pretty much to me, this is some kind of proof that the Earth may be or may have an actual local sun. Now that would mean that maybe these other suns we are seeing next to ours are local to other parts of our Earth. If our Earth is actually bigger than it is supposed to be, and that's why they're hiding it, the true size and shape and whatever, then that would mean that we would have to have other suns, okay, to accomplish, or whatever, just to lighten up these other parts of Earth, okay? If Earth is supposed to be like 3 times bigger, then we have dark parts, or we have suns in these other parts. Now, that would make sense, because we have 3 suns in this footage that I just showed you, and it was assigned to us by a subscriber hovering over the UK on a plane, January 2017, right? We can see clearly 3 suns. Now, if we have 3 suns there might be a chance, folks, that we have other districts, and these suns are actually just gathering up into one, for whatever reason. Now, this is just a theory, of course, and there are many other theories out there, so I'm just going to stick with whatever theory right now makes more sense to me. But I think you should stick with the theory that makes more sense to you. There are a lot of theories out there, right? So This is Earth from outer space, folks. This is from a real camera, from a real person, you know, someone, you know, that posted this on YouTube and whatever. And this is really cool because we got a very high altitude balloon there with a very good camera, and we can see the clouds and we can see no curvature at all whatsoever, right? So, and you can see, folks, this is not a montage, a collage, whatever. This is raw footage of Earth from outer space. And whatever NASA is doing on these images they're showing us, they're not faking them very well. Hollywood's doing a better job. So thank you very much for being here with us, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to leave you with the rest of the video. Share this, is very important, and I'll see you again.